Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that many of you have been curious about. Why do people invest in real estate instead of stocks? Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, understanding the motivations behind real estate investments can really help you make informed decisions about your financial future. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's get into it. Now, let's start with a key question. What drives individuals to choose real estate over the stock market? Is it the allure of tangible assets, the stability of rental income, or perhaps something else entirely? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about the tangible nature of real estate. Unlike stocks, which are essentially pieces of paper representing ownership in a company, real estate is a physical asset. You can touch it, see it, and even live in it. This tangibility gives many investors a sense of security. According to a 2020 survey by the National Association of Realtors, over 90% of Americans believe that real estate is a good long-term investment. This sentiment is partly due to the physical presence of property, which often feels more reliable than the sometimes volatile stock market. Now, let's discuss income generation. Real estate can provide a steady stream of passive income through rental payments. For instance, if you own a rental property, you might collect $1,500 a month from tenants. That's $18,000 a year without lifting a finger after the initial setup. In contrast, stocks can provide dividends, but many investors find that the income from stocks can be inconsistent and often tied to company performance. Speaking of performance, let's take a look at the historical appreciation of real estate versus stocks. According to the Federal Housing Finance Agency, the average annual appreciation of U.S. homes has been about 3.5% over the past 30 years. While that may not sound astronomical, it's quite stable compared to the stock market, which can experience drastic ups and downs. For example, the S&P 500 has averaged about 10% annual return, but that includes periods of significant losses. Many investors prefer real estate for its relative stability and predictability. They want to know that their investments are growing, even if it's at a slower pace. Now, let's not forget about diversification. Real estate provides an excellent opportunity to diversify an investment portfolio. By including real estate, investors can reduce the risk associated with stock market fluctuations. For instance, during the 2008 financial crisis, many stocks lost substantial value, while prime real estate in certain areas maintained or even increased its value. This diversification helps smooth out the bumps in an investor's overall portfolio. Another motivating factor is tax benefits. Investing in real estate can provide various tax advantages that aren't available with stock investments. For instance, property owners can deduct mortgage interest, property taxes, and, in some cases, depreciation. This can significantly lower their taxable income and increase overall returns. Moreover, when you sell a property, if it's your primary residence, you may qualify for a capital gains exclusion, meaning you could keep a substantial portion of your profits tax-free. Let's hear from a real estate investor, Sarah, who recently purchased her first rental property. She shares her experience with us. I was really hesitant at first, but once I got my first property, I felt in control. I could see my investment growing, and the rental income was a game changer for me. Plus, the tax benefits were a nice surprise. Thanks for sharing, Sarah. Her experience reflects a common sentiment among real estate investors. They often feel more in control of their investments compared to the unpredictable nature of stocks. To recap, here are some of the main reasons why people choose to invest in real estate instead of stocks: the tangible nature of properties, consistent rental income, relative stability and appreciation, diversification benefits, and attractive tax advantages. Each of these factors plays a significant role in why many investors feel more comfortable with real estate as a wealth-building strategy. If you're considering venturing into real estate, remember to do your research and understand your local market. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more educational content. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Comment below on what you think about real estate versus stocks. Until next time, happy investing!